In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your phone number in Stripe. Whether you've switched phone numbers recently or simply need to update your contact information, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. To begin, the first step is to open up your web browser and head over to the Stripe dashboard. You can do this by typing in the Stripe URL directly or using your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, make sure you log in using your credentials if you haven't already. This will take you to your Stripe dashboard, which is the hub for managing all your Stripe account settings. Now, when you're on the dashboard, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the gear icon, which represents your account settings. Click on this icon to proceed. This will open up a new menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, from this settings menu, you want to click on the option labeled Personal Details. This section contains all your personal information linked to your Stripe account, including your contact details. It's important to keep this information up to date to ensure that you receive any necessary communications from Stripe. Once you're in the Personal Details section, scroll down until you find the Contact Phone field. This is where your current phone number is displayed. To change your phone number, click on the field and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double-check the number for any mistakes, as it's crucial that this information is accurate. After you've entered your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button, usually located near the bottom of the page. Click this to save your changes. Stripe should confirm that your phone number has been successfully updated. And there you have it. You've now updated your phone number in Stripe. It's a simple process, but keeping your contact details current is crucial for maintaining smooth communication with Stripe services. Remember, if you ever need to make changes again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll do our best to assist you. See you in the next video.